welcome to another Multilight product demonstration. So today I'd like to show you our Swizer Multilight. Now this is a very good quality low vision lamp, and it's quite unique in the marketplace because it's the first low vision lamp that you do not have to pay VAT for if you are registered sight impaired. Previously with a lot of lamps, unless they had a built-in optical magnifier, by law we had to charge VAT. This one we don't, so this is a UK first in that respects. This lamp does come in multiple setups, so this particular one is a rechargeable battery with all three colour temperatures, so 2700 Kelvin, 4500 Kelvin and 6000 Kelvin. Soft touch power button, and it does have two levels of brightness, so when you tap the button first, the light source comes on, very nice and bright, very clear. If you press it again, we can reduce that power, and then just pressing it again turns it off. This lamp is very adjustable. With the very large tactile chunky grips, you can loosen the arm and the head. So again, for instance, I just move that up and I can drop the head right down, even to the point where the light source is almost touching the reading material. Just move that into that, show there. So you can really get the lamp down to the lowest possible angle that you need. And obviously the majority of people would be happy for the light source to be at a certain height. But because it is fully adjustable, that's down to the individual's requirements. You may notice that actually this one is running off the battery. So as I say, there is a rechargeable lithium ion battery inside here. You do get your UK plug socket and charger, so you can plug the charging cable in, and you get a decent amount of battery life on the actual device. So the actual LED head itself is fully adjustable too, so you can certainly put it at angles, and as you can see from the light spread there, it is highly effective. At the moment it's in natural white, so as I say, at the press of the button, and now we've got the soft 2700 orange tungsten type bulb, and then the other end of the spectrum we've got the 6000 plus, which is more of a blue white light. Very much a personal preference. You choose the power level and the intensity to how you want it. It does come in this desktop variation. It does come in the options to have just the one colour temperature. This particular light system is kind of our demonstration one, so you would certainly use one of these to show to individual clients so they could get a best idea of what light source is better for them and what colour temperature, etc. But you can have it so that it's just one colour, so i.e. 4500 white, natural white light. You still have the option to obviously change the intensity of the brightness. It does come in a floor standing version. It does come with a clamp in option, so again, if you're wanting a light source in a workshop environment, then you can certainly clamp it to a desk, to a table, etc. And still have the full adjustability. And you can also have it in say the floor standing version with an extended arm. So ultimately the length of the LEDs and the length of the arm is longer for those maybe harder to reach places. And just so that you can see the LEDs up close. I won't turn it on, I don't want to destroy my sensor on my camera, but that's all the LEDs, and depending on the light temperature is depending on which LEDs will turn on and turn off. But because they're LEDs, you never need to worry about replacing bulbs and stuff like that, obviously with it being LEDs. So as I say, you've got full adjustability when it comes to the actual light source and where it can go and what it can do and angles and heights and things like that, which is really good for getting it exactly to the level that you want. And just for the individuals who may have still have issues with glare, then obviously apart from being able to change the colour temperatures, which does solve the majority of them, what I would say to individuals who do need to get the light source closer to the reading material, where you obviously can get extra glare, is a very simple solution, workaround, is a pair of anti-glare shields. So our anti-glare shields can certainly work in conjunction with these type of light systems, so that if you are sight impaired and you do suffer from a little bit of glare, then you can know that you can still use these devices. They're not useless in that respect, but you would probably benefit from a good quality pair of the Improvision anti-glare shields, which obviously come in various colours and such like, and that would certainly help with the saturation and sensitivity aspects of it. So there we go, once again, our Multilight range from Schweizer. Thank you very much.